Hello everyone, let's now try to perform another activity. I'm again taking the clay, making this stripe that's somewhat rope type, and then fold it and squeeze it with the help of the chopsticks. This activity is again very simple. In between you just have to place some of the beads and then you have to make the rest of the features like the body features, body patterns. For that I'm going to make use of the tools. Like here I'm taking this fork and see how I have created this beautiful look in just few easy simple steps. Such activities are so much full of fun and you remember them for your lifelong. So just give it a try. This looks so good at last. Let's next try our another project. Here we are going to take this dough and you just have to open it. It's our oval shape. Then you can fold this oval shape and make some of the imprints. For making the imprints, we are going to make use of the different things like the spoon, knife or much more things. Just follow the each step carefully. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step. If we will talk about the difficulty level of this one, that this one is little bit difficult because you would need to just provide the each detail minutely so that it will become so perfect. This is just a sea animal. Yes, we are talking about the prawns. Prawns are so tasty. If you are non-veg, then you can go and eat these things. Let's move towards our another project. Here I'm taking this small size circular chapati and I'm just making the four cuts out of it. You just have to roll them together. Once you have rolled them together, just squeeze them together using a chopstick. Once you are done with making this type of the pattern, then with the help of my hand I'm going to add more different looks. Let's now try our another project. Here I am taking the circular chapati and from the surroundings I have taken some of the dates. Then I am just decorating these dates over the chapati that I have already made. Place another small size chapati over the bigger one and then with the help of the comb try to make some of the patterns using the comb. Once you are done with it, you may require a knife also because you have to give them the perfect look, petal look. Now you just have to take the two shades of the clay, that's the lavender and the white one, then roll them over together, and once you are done with it, just make the cutting with the help of the scissors. This will represent a beautiful flower. Be careful while you are making use of the scissors. You don't have to get hurt. Let's move towards our another project. Again taking the circular chapati, I'm just making the cuts with the help of the knife. Then I'm just rolling them towards the inner portion and with the help of this chopstick I'm going to just make some of the patterns in between the each petal. This will just beautify this look at the end. Once you will just be done, it looks so perfect. Now take the three chapatis, make the imprints using the comb, cut them in between, pile them one after the another. Once you are done with it, you just have to roll them over this piece of the date, or you can take any other thing of your own choice. Cherry can also work. This looks so perfect. Let's move towards our next project. Here I'm taking this clay and I'm just rolling it over on any surface. Then with the help of the knife I'm just making some of the cuts as shown on your screen. You can just pause the video so that you can't get confused at any particular step. Some activities are not that much easy as we see, while you may realize that how much difficult it's once you are able to practically perform it. So just give it a try, twice or thrice, so that you will have fun and you will become pro in performing this type of the activity. Squeeze them together as shown here. This looks so nice and so good. It's again inspired from the mandala art painting. This looks so pretty good. Just give it a try. Let's move towards our another project. Here I'm taking the different four sub chapatis and I'm just cutting and making some of the slices out of it. With the help of the chopstick I am just squeezing them at the center and creating such patterns. Once the patterns are ready, you just have to again squeeze them up using the chopsticks. Then you just have to take the three different chapatis. You just have to cut them in between. Once you are done with making some of the patterns using the comb, after that roll them over this date. It looks so perfect and nice. Thank you for watching our videos.